They brought on 4 of my candidates. So I'm really excited about
Oh,
that.
so the engine that we're building you, I've already gotten you a lead. People don't believe me. It's literally the secret sauce to our agency, guys.
Sure, okay. I didn't know I was following up with you. I've just been working.
Now she has to drop a client. Savannah, good to hear from you too. I know that you've had a pretty awesome week. You've had what, 6 offers go out this week as well, or something like that?
Yeah, with Torch, I had 2 offers go out last week, so that's really great. And then there's another sales team that I'm working with for like a really, 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 really early stage startup, and that was more of like a sourcing situation. So they brought on 4 of my candidates, so that would be
Amazing.
6 placements. I'm still waiting on one of my Torch guys to accept his offer, but that'll be probably 6 placements here in the last few weeks, which is completely insane to say. And then I have my first sales meeting via the engine tomorrow, so I'm
Let's
really excited about that.
go. So the engine that we're building you, I've already gotten you a lead, a conversation. Let's freaking go, guys. I'm telling
Yeah,
you.
I've been like closing it. Like I've just,
People don't believe me. It's literally the secret sauce to our agency, guys. And like we build this system to work, you know? And so again, just another thank you, Savannah, for having a faith, but like
yeah,
what we build works, guys. Period.
I'm
Right?
really excited. Yeah, I'm really excited. So I've
Let's
been like
go.
just closing him as tight as possible up until now. He's like into where his last email was like, this all sounds so promising and exciting. Do you
Mm.
also do this, this, and this? I'm like, sure. Like he's like asking questions like it's like stuff I actually do. So I'm really, really excited. I'm referring to the business development like automation system that like Ryan and Preston like custom make and their agency Kickstart Finder uses it. And so it's exclusive to recruiter school students, guys. Is that how you pronounce it? I don't want to miss it. Okay, perfect. Yes, that's what I'm referring to, just so everyone has that context. But
Yes, we're building you one too, man.
Yes.
yes,
So
highly,
Savannah, proud of
highly
you.
recommend. Yeah, no, thank you. He was like, when he first got back to me, he was like, thank you so much for your follow-ups. Like, I really, really appreciate your follow-ups. And it's so funny because I look at that and I'm like, sure, okay. I didn't know I was following up with you. I've just been working. Like, I've been like, I'm glad you
Guys,
appreciate it.
you might be in a situation with Karen. You have just too much business coming in now.
Are you completely lost on how to implement AI or automation in your business? Are you struggling with getting responses from new clients? Are you an established recruiter who is struggling to level up or break 6 figures and beyond? Or do you have no idea how to even start a successful recruitment business at all, whether it's full-time or part-time? If any of these resonate with you, please check out the Recruiter School, a premier educational and coaching program that will teach you everything I've learned in the past decade that has helped me build over $5 million on my own desk, where I had also the chance to work with the best companies in the world. You'll learn everything from what is the best ATS to how to master client acquisition, what are the best plugins and tools, what are the best platforms to find candidates on, how do you optimize your website and even LinkedIn profile, or how do you actually systematize your workflow with the best AI and automation. The best part, we will also personally handhold and be with you every step of the way through our one-on-one coaching just to make sure you understand and implement everything perfectly. But don't just take my word for it. Since we launched, the number of success stories that we created have truly been jaw-dropping and amazing. Whether it's making 5 figures part-time, to picking up their first clients within the first couple days to a week, to now making $30, $40, $50,000 per month consistently, I could go on and on and on. So if you're interested to learn more, make sure you click on the link below to book a time. Since our schedule books up really fast, make sure you reach out quickly. See you on the other side.
So Sav, now that's working, you know, you can scale it to the moon if you want. You might be in a situation with Karen. You have just too much business coming in now. So I think with you, Savannah, your issue now is like you're now in a place of power and confidence. Be selective with clients. Be selective with working with companies on your own terms. Let's go.
Totally. I'm gonna have to drop one of my fractional clients. I've already,
Uh-oh, now she has to drop a client. Like
yeah,
you know things are going well when you're dropping clients now.
it's
So
there.
let's
I
go.
can't.
Let's go. Pumped for you, Sav. Pumped for you. Keep it going. And again, the month is not even halfway through. I challenge you to, I don't know, do 6 more placements this month.
Yeah, let's
Minimum.
see about it. Yeah, it'd be really cool.